Hello students, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Uh, in this class, we will study about calculation of molecular mass by using atomic mass of different element. I hope you learn better the concept of atomic mass, how to learn atomic mass and how to design atomic mass using the simple trick, right, as I discussed in my previous video lecture. Today, by using atomic mass of different element, how we can calculate molecular mass of that molecular formula of that compound, of that ionic compound, of that any kind of compound in which elements are involved, and by using their atomic mass, their mass of the atom, we can design molecular mass of that particular compound. So before moving ahead, I would like to focus on few important terms. First term is atomic mass, molecular mass, gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. What is the major difference between all these terms? Atomic mass is nothing but mass of one atom, and simply molecular mass is nothing but mass of one molecule. If one atom or one molecule are there, so we will consider as atomic mass or molecular mass, both having unit AMU, atomic mass unit. But when we have one mole atom or one mole molecule, what is the meaning of mole? Mole is nothing but a number which is just equal to 6.02 10 to the power 23. And for mole calculation, we will wait for one more video so that you can better understand the concept of mole in a separate video lecture, correct? In today's class, I will not focus, I will not play much focus on mole concept, correct? Today we will discuss only how to calculate molecular mass with the help of atomic mass. So gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass is nothing but mass of one mole atom and mass of one mole molecule. One mole equal to 6.02 10 to the power 23. And unit of gram atomic mass, that is GAM, and unit of gram molecular mass, that is GMM. It is gram per mole. That's it. So in example 1, he is asking calculate molecular mass of NaOH. What is NaOH? Sodium hydroxide. And the atomic mass of constituent element of sodium hydroxides are given, correct? Constituent elements mean building element which are going to form that particular compound, okay, or that particular molecule. Atomic mass of sodium is given 23 mu, oxygen 16 mu and hydrogen 1 mu, correct? If AMU is given, then it will be atomic mass, and further we will calculate molecular mass. And if gram per mole in example 2 is given, then we will calculate gram molecular mass using gram atomic mass. So it doesn't matter whatever he is asking, we will use one trick, that's it, okay? So for NaOH we will sum Na 23 mu, for oxygen 16 mu, and for hydrogen 1 mu. Collectively we will notice the answer will be 40 mu for sodium hydroxide. And what is AMU? Atomic mass unit. In example 2, calculate gram molecular mass of sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. Little complex formula, but very easy, in easier way we can solve. See here, Na 23 gram per mole is here because he is asking gram molecular mass, okay? So if in question, if atomic mass is in AMU, so that we will calculate atomic mass or molecular mass with the help of atomic mass. Or in place of AMU, he can give you unified mass, simply U. So doesn't matter it is U or AMU. And further, if he is providing gram per mole, in that case we will calculate gram molecular mass of that molecule, okay? So sodium, it is 23, sulfur 32 and oxygen is 16. So put value of sodium 23 gram per mole. But why I did multiply here with 2? Because 2 sodium is there in the formula, correct? So that I have to multiply with 2. Further, I have sulfur, 1 sulfur 32, and next oxygen, 4 oxygen 16 multiplied by 4. So that next answer will be 46, 32, 64, and final answer will be 142 gram per mole. It is what? Gram per mole. That's meaning represent gram molecular mass of sodium sulfate. And in one more complex example, that is calculate molecular mass of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Formula is FeSO4 dot NH4 twice SO4 dot 6H2. Little complex, but way is easier to calculate to find the gram molecular mass or molecular mass of. Here it is written molecular mass, but unit is in gram per mole. So we will write gram molecular mass. Okay, don't get confused with the question. Correct? So put the value of Fe. Fe is kitna? It is 56. What about sulfur? It is 32. For oxygen, I multiplied 16 with 4 because 4 oxygen are there. Further, I have to plus this N is 14. This hydrogen is 4, and atomic mass or gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. And further, it is twice, whole twice. So that I will multiply complete value with 2. And further, with sulfur, it is 32. For oxygen, it is 16 into 4. Again, I have to multiply with 4 because 4 oxygen is there, with the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. And further 6 H2O. The 6 is there, and H2O means 2 hydrogen, 2 atomic mass of H, 1, and 16 for oxygen. And complete value will be multiplied by 6. Okay. So further value, calculate value multiple, you will get 392 gram per mole. Kitna? 392 gram per mole. It is gram molecular mass GMM of FAS, ferrous ammonium sulfate. So students, it's very easy to calculate molecular mass, gram molecular mass using atomic mass. Simply you have technique, adopt. That technique is multiplication, sum, and final value in the form of collaboration. ठीक है? So this is for calculation of molecular mass using atomic mass. And remember students, you have to remember, or you have to learn the atomic mass till 1 to 20. And in some case they will provide, and sometime they will not provide. Okay, so that 1 to 20 element, it's easier to learn. In my previous video, I already mentioned how to calculate, how to learn atomic mass, okay, of that particular element from 1 to 20. And for mole concept, it is very important for your class 11th. And in physical chemistry, that is part 1, in every chapter except 1 or 2, we will use mole. Okay, so for mole, I will post one more video separately, so that after completion of this, we will go for mole concept. Okay, till that my lecture is done, and we will meet again in my new video lecture that is based on mole concept. Till then, thank you. Thanks a lot.